The spinal log roll is performed with the assistance of 3 clinicians. The clinician positioned at the head of the bed is responsible for stabilizing the patient's head and neck. They secure the head by placing their hands over the trapezius muscles, bracing the head and neck between their forearms and wrists while continuously communicating with the patient. The patient is asked to fold their arms across their chest, and the lead clinician gives instructions to the assisting team throughout the maneuver. The first assistant places one hand on the patient's shoulder and the other on the lower hip. The second assistant places one hand on the upper hip and the other on the upper thigh. The third assistant supports the leg by holding the knee and ankle. The clinician at the head coordinates all movements with clear verbal commands. They count aloud, 1, 2, 3, move, to ensure synchronized motion. During the roll, the third assistant keeps the leg aligned to minimize unnecessary spinal movement. Once the patient is rolled, the examining clinician inspects and palpates the spine, assesses for injury, and performs any necessary evaluation of the perineum. Anal tone should also be checked if there are neurological concerns. To return the patient, the head clinician again directs, on my count, 1, 2, 3, roll.